Hey, what's up, everybody? This is T, and today I'm talking about taking a gap year driven by the state of depression. Well, as sad as it sounds, there are a number of cases when people do travel because of depression, which is running away from past or present situations that left them sad and even worse, depressed in a number of cases. Now, I'm not going to talk about general situations here because the reason I'm sitting in front of the camera is because I want to share you my personal experiences, because this is just more credible, more valuable than just talking out of the blue, collecting information from YouTube, Google, and then just put it to you. So yeah, my personal experience. First of all, I must emphasize this, that I would not recommend traveling because of sadness, because of depression. It's an amazing therapy, don't get me wrong. It makes you smile, it gives you the experience like nothing else can, and it will help you to become the best you, hands down. However, if you're just running away from the past, running away from present situations, then you're not going to be able to focus and be in the moment 100%. Now, in the personal experience I had, just recently had it in deep love. And we had to break up because we couldn't be on the same track. We didn't have the same concept. I thought that, fuck it, the way I'm going to get over it is just traveling. Like, I've been traveling for 10 years. It's going to help me now as well. It always makes me smile. It always helps me to accumulate more experiences. And therefore, through the experiences, I'll be distracted. It is what it is. I'll be distracted from this awkward and hurting, burning situation. So I hit the road, I loved it, I pulled things like never before because I was just so into being distracted, having my mind diverted from that situation when I was still in love, but I realized that we cannot be together and there is no reason continuing it. Long story short, I quickly realized, even though I felt like a fucking lifetime, that I'm not in the moment. I'm not staying in the moment, I'm not experiencing the moment, I'm not taking 100% of the experience, because all I'm doing is just like a side treatment, you know what I mean? That is a secondary experience. I'm still experiencing the pain, and I'm just trying to have myself distracted from that pain. And therefore it was like raping traveling, it was like misusing the opportunity. I was not able to pay attention, I was not able to enjoy completely. And it wasn't an honest movement from me, and I was raping traveling. I say what it is, and I wasn't happy about it, and it took me some time to admit it. So after a week, I sit down, I stopped, I ended traveling temporarily, just for a couple of days. I was thinking, philosophizing, and came to an answer where I was able to meet my needs halfway, sort of. And as soon as I solved that issue, I was able to hit the road again. I was able to be in the moment 100%, and I was able to take as much as possible without having this sad idea that I just need to get over these depressive feelings. However, I'm not a guru. I'm not going to tell you what to do, what not to do. So, if you still believe that you are in a situation where traveling is the answer, not drugs, not alcohol, not parties, not girls, not buying shit you don't need, then let me give you my advice. Let me, comfort the situation, allow you to take as much out of the situation as much as possible. So first of all, do not travel alone. You are depressed, you are sad. Fuck that. You don't want to be isolated, because loneliness will do everything but help you to overcome depression. Therefore, I strongly recommend to get together with somebody on a travel buddy level, and what the fuck knows, maybe on a deeper level, and travel with someone. Share the road, share the moment, because as you are traveling with someone, you are able to accumulate experiences together. You can recall them later on together. You can talk about those experiences, and you can experience those experiences together, and together is the key word here. And if you share your sadness, then together you actually distribute the burden on your shoulder, and therefore it will hurt less, heal quicker. And yeah, just make sure that you're choosing a destination which will tranquil your mind. I mean, you are sad, you are depressed. I'm pretty sure you don't need the adventure part of it. Let's say you're not going to go to Chad and just see the people how they fucking killing each other and how they starving to death, because that's not going to help you to recover from sadness. Just go for a touristic place where there are heaps opportunities to socialize, to blend it in, not to be isolated, not to be the only white person, not to be the only person who speaks English. So just go to popular places, because it will cure your sadness rather quicker. Guys, that's me for today. If you like the content, don't forget to share and like it, because that would mean the world to me. It's a better feedback than a review, than just a smile on your face. Simply why? Because that way you're going to message me, you're going to give me the impression that I'm on the right way, that I'm giving you the right knowledge, the right message with the good value. If I did not, if I left you with doubt or questions, please leave them in the comments, because I'm not only able to answer them, more than sure, but also will get the knowledge, the information, what I need to change, what I need to add in the future, how I need to shape my speeches so I can deliver the best value possible. Guys, that was me. Don't forget, you with a little bit of me are shaping society. Bye.